If you're currently on the search for jobs, let me show you how you can exactly use Glassdoor to find your perfect job match. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on how Genek. If you're trying to look for jobs inside of Glassdoor, you can easily head over to the job section and then add in your job title as well as your desired location. If you already have made some searches in the past, it's going to show you a For You page, which is going to show you related job titles that you can straight away explore. If you haven't made any searches in the past, you can add in your job title as well as your location, and you're going to get similar results. Also, if you scroll down further, you're going to get a section which says desired minimum salary, where you can add in the minimum salary that you want and select the annual, monthly, or the hourly option. You can also add in other filters by heading over to the search section and then take a look at these filters that are available on the top, such as if you select the easy apply option, you're only going to get jobs that have the easy apply option so that you can avoid the long process of filling up personal forms inside of the company website. Similar to that, you can also select the remote only, company ratings, date posted, and the salary range option, and then you can apply your own filters. This way you're going to get relevant searches that you can go into and take a look at, as well as take a look at the roles and responsibilities, as well as a few reviews that these companies might have. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to search jobs inside of Glassdoor. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.